Hi, it's Ben from Startup Sesame, and today I want to tell you how to find the people you want to meet at a conference but you're struggling to get a hold of. Follow me, it's just next door. Right, so imagine you're at a conference or a fair and there are those speakers or investors that you want to meet, but none of them are nowhere to be seen inside the venue. What do? Chances are these people are outside having a break or a lunch at a cafe or restaurant nearby. So here is my advice. Go check out who's around. Maybe you'll be surprised to find that investor or that potential client that you wanted to meet. Or maybe even that journalist that you saw at a Q&A that you think could be so interested in your story. Same goes for hotels. Big events take place in big venues that are surrounded by nice and fancy hotels that the organizers use to host their speakers. And the busy VIPs also stay there because they don't have the time to go back and forth between the venue and the hotel downtown. So next time you're at a conference, take a break, grab a coffee at the cafe next door. Hi, I hope you like this event hack. Our Event Hack series reveals some of the tips that we have for entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs, so both sides of the game. At Startup Sesame, we believe events should be a key part of your marketing strategy. And that's why we built Sesamers, to help you get the most out of the events that you're attending and also the most out of the money you're investing in those events. So feel free to drop us a line if you want to know more. Otherwise, follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next event hack that we're posting every week.